Okay, good day everyone. Today I'll show you how to download a third-party application like VLC Media Player. Okay, let's search it. VLC. Okay, click the link. Alright, this is the VLC and download VLC. Wait for a second. Alright, this is the VLC, but I already have an application, so I cancel it. This is my app, VLC installer. Wait for unlocking data. Alright, click OK, next, and install. Wait for installing. Alright, and it's finished. Okay, click continue, and this is now the VLC. The media, playback, audio, video, subtitle, tools, view, help are the basic function of this VLC media player. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.